Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is potato Duchess, which there are many ways to go about this recipe. We're just doing it the Greek way with lemon and thyme. So I'll just show you guys how to make it. What you'll need to make the Duchess potatoes is potatoes, obviously. So we're having 6 medium potatoes. You can use as much as you need. And here we have 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt and 1/4 cup of olive oil. And because we're doing this the Greek way, you can completely omit them and and replace them with butter. 3 egg yolks, thyme, the juice of half a lemon, the zest of 1 full lemon, salt, and half a teaspoon of white pepper. So first step is we're going to cut our potatoes. You don't have to cut them a specific way, just any way will do, just so that they can cook quicker. Now, after chopping our potatoes, we're going to put them in a pot where we are going to cook them in water. And when cooking potatoes in water, make sure that it's always cold water, never hot. On medium heat, we're going to cook our potatoes. So for them to cook better, we're just going to add about a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix that around. And now we're going to let them cook for maybe 20 minutes. 20 minutes. So now I'm just going to see if the potato is cooked. As you can see, it breaks apart on its own, so that means that it's ready. Now we're just going to mash the potatoes. We're using this, what I believe is the ricer, or like a potato ricer or something. You can also mash it like with a regular mashing tool, but this just makes it smooth. As you can see, it looks very light and smooth. So now we're going to add in our Greek yogurt. And we're going to give it a mix. So now we're going to add in our olive oil, our lemon juice, our lemon zest, our salt, and our pepper. And we're going to mix it really well. So after mixing all of our spices, we're just going to test for salt. Mine seems fine, so I don't think I need to add more salt, but if you feel like you need to add more salt, go ahead and add it until you reach the saltiness that you want. So now we're going to add in our egg yolks. And lastly, we're going to add in our thyme, and you can add as much or as little as you want. In your thyme, you're just going to mix it really well until everything is well incorporated with each other. Now we preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and then we just start to add our mashed potato mixture to a piping bag. After adding our mixture to a piping bag, we're just going to pipe them into a baking tray lined with parchment paper. After we ran out of our potato mixture, we're now going to put it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. So this is what the final product looks like. You see the golden the golden brown edges, and they're very soft to the touch, which is something that I really like. So let's try one. Very nice and soft and smooth. I also love the flavor of the acidity that it gives. So if you like acidic flavors, you will really enjoy this. You can also remove the acidity if you don't want and put Parmesan, or you can also like omit like I said earlier, the olive oil and the Greek yogurt and put just butter in there. There are many ways to go about this potato Duchess. So this concludes today's video. Again, if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook so you guys can support me to make more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!